Well, I'm incredibly proud of what the device and technology sector has done during this time of COVID. You never want to go through a crisis like this, but when you do, it's really encouraging to have the medical technology community there with you. I think three things stand out to me as we've gone through this crisis. This is an industry that has created and manufactured products to protect healthcare workers through PPEs that we've developed over the course of the last 6 months. This is an industry that has built and manufactured hospital equipment, specifically ventilators, who have helped patients suffering from this disease move out of the hospital setting and back home. And this is also an industry that's responsible for all the diagnostic testing in this country as well. And so we have been on the front lines supporting our healthcare workers from the beginning. We've been on the front lines supporting patients who are struggling. And we've been on the front lines helping our public health workers better understand, to surveil and screen and diagnose people with the disease. As I look back on it, it's been amazing what this industry has done. Before the crisis hit us, we were manufacturing about 700 ventilators a week. And over the matter of a couple months, we scaled up to the point where we were manufacturing about 10,000 ventilators a week. And now we're contributing many of those ventilators to the stockpile to make sure that next time we get hit with a crisis like this, we'll be more prepared for it. And so I'm incredibly proud of that. I think of the diagnostics industry as well. When the crisis hit us, there was no test available. And this is an industry that rallied to the cause. Today, we're shipping over 1.2 million tests per day throughout the country to surveil, to screen, and diagnose people with the disease so we can better control the spread of this disease across the country. And so I'm incredibly grateful for all the employees who work 24/7 around the clock, who spend extra time, and company leaders as well. It's been a remarkable response. You never want to have to go through this. But when you go through it, you have an innovative medical technology sector like this that's done so much. It's something that I think we look back on with great pride and gratitude for the work they've done.